Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is altcoins bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Today is Friday 25th of November and we do have Bitcoin at the moment looking like the following, and it's kind of like right now at the moment we probably could be getting a Black Friday today. Today's Black Friday. A lot of discounts happening all around the world, but I expect a Black Friday for Bitcoin as well, and we could start getting huge amount of discount. Is this like the time where Bitcoin actually dumps for real, or is this the time where we dump until Cyber Monday? Because Cyber Monday is a day of discounts as well, so maybe next 4 days could be huge discounts up along the way. Now, one thing is very clear. If you do go up to the daily time frame, we have a decision candle and we have a huge road block. And today, what happens in crypto could probably start to be ugly, picking up in the next coming few days, because number one, you got the EMAs resisting the prices, which is the 10 EMA. And here's my explanation about it. Maybe this is a fantastic shorting opportunity, and I don't short, but it's an amazing shorting opportunity. Yeah. Today, my personal take is that Bitcoin comes down to 16,171 and we're gonna make an evening star. Okay, but before the evening star, you have a decisive doji candle, which is this one right here. And what that decisive doji candle does, it actually tells you if the market continues higher or continues lower. Now, it could still continue higher, and you're gonna say, hey, can you tell us one thing? I cannot tell you one thing, because it's the responsibility of the doji, because the doji is meant to be decisive and tell you if the prices can continue higher or not. But we can get hints, and the hint of whether it's gonna go up or down, the hint to go down is as the follows. You have the resistance line right there, and when you make a decisive candle next to a resistance, the probability of going lower and getting rejected at the resistance is really high. So the setup to go down is way better than the setup to go up, especially everything, and I mean everything, points to the downside. Number one, bear pennant. Number two, break to the downside, make a bearish closing. Number three, go back for the retest. Number four, doji. Number five, the 10 EMA resisting the prices. Number six, it's weekend. Number seven, it's basically Black Friday. And that's pretty much it for this Bitcoin update. Just a very quick one. See you down at $12,000, which is the technical target, which is meant to come very slowly, and potentially we're going to see if there's any more patterns left to make it to 8,000 or maybe sub 6,000 for the final liquidation in the market. And that's pretty much it for this update. And one more thing, the signal is joined, is open up, so do join. 5 days are left to join the signals, and you can click this video to watch. When you go into the Discord, the link is in the description of the video. Go to the announcement tab, click on that link there, and you can click on my name to message me as well. That's pretty much it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.